How to post full pictures on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select a photo. Now tap on the two arrow icon. Now resize your photo. If it still doesn't fit, go back to the home screen. Open up your web browser. Now tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram post resizer. Now click on search. Now open up the first website. Now tap on select images and select a photo. Now click on add. Now tap on resize image. Now simply tap on download. Now go back to Instagram and select the photo and click on next. Now tap on next and click on post, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.